Dancehall artist Bling Dawg is gearing up to release his album Elevate. The project features 19 songs and boasts collaborations with Popcorn, Romain Virgo, Morgan Heritage, Bone Tequila, Busy Signal, Chris Martin, among others. Now, Bling Dawg recently shared the album cover and the track list with fans on social media. Elevate will see tracks like God is Amazing, Father Gotta Guide Me, Stepson, There She Goes, Walk This Way, Married to the Music, and that's just to name a few. Bling Dawg teamed up with Chris Martin on a track dubbed Yo, which debuted at number 3 on the iTunes Top 200 Swedish charts. Elevate is slated for release on February 4 this year. Bling Dawg is known for songs like Get Up or Run, Phone Call, and of course, Achibunks. Now, Canadian singer The Weeknd has earned his third #1 album in the United Kingdom with his latest project, Dawn FM. Now, this marks the first album released in 2022 to lead the UK chart. The project, released on January 7, has sold over 20,000 units in the first week. The album features collaborations with Jim Carrey, Calvin Harris, Tyler the Creator, Lil Wayne, Quincy Jones, among others. The Weeknd has also secured 500 million streams on Swedish audio streaming and media service Spotify. The Weeknd previously led the Billboard chart with the albums Beauty Behind the Madness and his 2020 project After Hours. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.